Crocodile, the invisible strike.
The sound of a thunderous, wet thud, followed by the roar of churning water, muffled and deep.
He's right under us. What is that thing? Oh God, what is that?
A low, subsonic vibration that makes the water on the surface dance in tiny patterns. Muffled, distorted underwater rumbling and the creak of the wooden boat from below. The bone-chilling sound of a crocodile's jaws snapping shut, followed by the frantic scraping of boots on wood.
Subtle sonar pings, the distant, eerie croak of a bullfrog, and the low hum of the boat's generator.
The sound of rushing water, the metallic groan of the boat's hull, and Thorn's sharp, ragged breathing.
What is that? It's massive. It's right under the hull. Sonar is picking up something unprecedented. It's massive, and it's approaching the hull rapidly.
The buzzing of cicadas intensifies, then suddenly cuts to dead silence. Only the soft, rhythmic lap of water against the aluminum hull remains.
The sound of heavy, rhythmic breathing, and the faint, rhythmic lapping of water against the aluminum hull.
what is that? Look out!
The power required to pierce marine-grade aluminum is staggering. Stay back. Get away from the boat. You look directly into those eyes, you understand true primal instinct. Respect the darkness, or it consumes you.
Look at this water. It looks calm, but beneath the surface lies the most aggressive predator I've ever encountered.